Tom with Acorn here. Are you thinking about installing, upgrading, or repairing your pond or water feature? Please listen to what our past clients are saying about us and give us a call.
We had a great experience with Acorn. We love Tom. He did a great job here. Everybody showed up in time. It's fantastic. You can see with your own eyes what we have here. We are all so happy about it.
I'm admiring my beautiful pond. I enjoy it 12 months of the year. Tom did a great job, and I'm happy I picked him over a couple other contractors. He's reliable. He does most of the work himself, and it attracts birds and hummingbirds. If I call Tom, I never have any problems. If I call Tom, that evening he calls me, and he's very dependable, and he's just a great guy, and I know when he comes, I don't have to worry that it's not going to get done right. And like I said, I've had it for 9 years. I haven't really had any problems, easy to maintain, and it's just better than going to a therapist. You got a problem, you just sit out there and watch nature, and you go in and you feel so much better. It's just beautiful, and I enjoy my patio and the outdoors much more since I put the pond.
I thought something was missing from my old pond, and I talked to Tom about it, and he invited me to come over to see his pond, which is also a small pond back here. And I was pleasantly surprised at the price, and I have to say that not only was the price satisfactory, he came in under budget. I mean, it was sort of nice at the end to actually spend less than I thought I was going to spend and still love these results. The team that he brought with him was fantastic. They were here when they said they would be. They were pleasant to work with. They were very professional, but excited about what they were doing. They cleaned the area up at the end of the day so that I never even knew they were here. And it's been delightful to me ever since. And I love spending afternoons. I come out with my cup of coffee, I sit by the pond. Sometimes it's a glass of wine. And I feed these little guys. I cannot tell you how attached that I've gotten to them. I'm not quite ready to reach in there and pet them yet, but I get such a pleasure out of relaxing by the water with them. It's one of the best things I ever did.
My initial thoughts about repairing my old pond were just, redo it or dig a hole and drop in one of those preformed ponds. Well, was I wrong? Because this man is a genius. He's an artist. He hand dug this pond with all the very neat shelving that was required, and it's truly an artisan's work. And the result is more than I could ever have expected. And my neighbors are enthralled. So I thank him with all of my heart, and I shall enjoy it for a very long time.
I'm Ann, and I just had a pond installed by Tom Warmer Dam and Acorn Ponds this year. I am absolutely loving it. At first I didn't think it would be big enough, but the way Tom and his crew laid it out, it's absolutely perfect. Fits right in the backyard. The crew was great. I have a sister who's disabled. They were very kind to her. They were a hardworking crew. It was a tough job because there's a lot of glacial till in this area and they had to dig up so many rocks. It was just, I felt sorry for them. But they really did great and the end result is just beautiful. I'm loving it. Just every morning I just enjoy it so much. Great. And there we go.
This is Tom with Acorn Ponds and Waterfalls. We specialize in the design, construction, maintenance, and repair of backyard ponds and water features. Give us a call today to get started on your backyard paradise.